If you're buying a spreader for use with fine materials like calcium chloride and ice melt, the SaltDogg TGSUVPROA, TGS01B, and TGS05B are all great choices. But to get the most out of your new spreader, you'll also want to purchase and install our alternate auger specifically designed for those finer de-icing materials. Out of the box, these spreaders come with an auger designed for use with No. 1 rock salt, which is about 1/4 inch in diameter. For finer materials, the alternate auger features a more gradual pitch. This is better for regulating the flow of those materials and will help you save material and save money in the long run. In this video, we'll show you how to retrofit your spreader with one of these augers. This video applies to the following spreaders and the listed fine material augers: the SaltDogg TGSUVPROA, the SaltDogg TGS01B, and the SaltDogg TGS05B. And here are the tools that you'll need to swap out the standard auger for the fine material auger: 2 pairs of needle nose pliers, and 1 1/8 inch T-handle hex key. Switching out the auger in a SaltDogg tailgate spreader is super easy. We're using a TGSUVPROA in this video, but the same process applies for the other spreaders as well. Safety first. Before you begin installation, ensure your spreader is turned off and unplugged from its power source. Step 1 is to remove the cotter pin and clevis pin located near the spinner assembly. Then use your hex key to loosen the set screw on the auger until you're able to remove the auger. Then put the new auger in position, take the set screw out of the original auger, and place it in the new fine material auger. And tighten the set screw until it is firmly secured. Put the clevis pin back through the spinner, and then put the cotter pin back into the clevis pin to lock it in place. With the auger installed, plug your spreader back in, power it up, and run some material through to make sure it's functioning properly. If material isn't flowing at a steady rate, turn the spreader back off, unplug it, and ensure the new auger is firmly seated in its correct position. Repeat this process until you achieve a smooth, steady flow of material. And that's it. You are ready to spread fine materials with your SaltDogg tailgate salt spreader. Head to buyersproducts.com for more information. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.